Hi, Dayton. Happy Monday. I was just going to announce who our Scholar of the Week was for last week. This scholar not only completed all of their assignments in reading, math, writing, they did them in order, starting with Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. They asked questions to Miss Pinkayla and myself if they didn't understand how to do something. And this scholar really put a lot of effort into their work. They didn't just click on different answers or write different numbers for their math problems. You could tell that they really read the stories, went back in to prove their answers, broke the questions down, showed their work for math to make sure that their problems are right. So we are really proud of the student for going above and beyond to make sure that they are still getting the best education at home. And our Scholar of the Week for last week is Melody. Good job, Melody. We're really proud of you. We can't wait to pick a new Scholar of the Week. So get to your Google Classroom and do a really great job with all of your assignments. And we are here to help you guys. Have a great week. Bye.